Batangas VTS, Batangas VTS. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Do you read me loud and clear? Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Change channel to 1-2, over.
Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Channel change to channel 1-2, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your ETA, over?
Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My ETA is 0500 hours local time on 30 October 2023, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your drop, over?
Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My drop is 12.3 meters, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. How many persons are on board, over?
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. There are 3-4 persons on board, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your gross tonnage, over?
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What type of cargo are you carrying and how much, over?
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. I am carrying iron ore with a total cargo on board of 12304 metric tons, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Do you have any dangerous cargo on board, over?
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Yes, I have 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous goods on board, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Understood. What is your port of destination, over?
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My port of destination is Batangas Port Terminal, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Birdie Island on channel 1-2, over.
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. We will call after we pass Birdie Island on channel 1-2, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Stand by on channel 1-2, over.
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. We will stand by on channel 1-2, over and out.